If you want to learn how to tweet or post on x.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a post, add text, attach media if you want, and publish it in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you're brand new to X or if you just want a fast refresher. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone, or if you're on a computer, go to the X website in your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation bar. You'll see the post icon there, usually represented by a plus symbol or a post button depending on the device you're using. This is the button you need to start a new tweet or post. Go ahead and click that post icon. A new post window will appear, and this is where you can type your message. Keep your post short and clear if you want it to be easy for others to read and engage with. You can write a simple update, share your thoughts, ask a question, or post a link. If you want to make your post more engaging, you can also add media. Look for the photo icon, GIF option, or other media tools in the post window. You can upload an image, attach a GIF, or add other supported content depending on what you want to share. Adding media can help your post stand out and get more attention. Once your message looks good and your media is attached, take one last quick look to make sure everything is correct. Check your spelling, confirm the image is the one you want, and make sure your message says exactly what you intend. Then click the post button to publish it to X. After that, your tweet will go live and be visible to your followers and other users on the platform, depending on your account settings. That's really all there is to it. Posting on X is simple once you know where to find the button and how to enter your message. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.